In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a cool rotating transition effect in Microsoft PowerPoint. Launch the PowerPoint app and take a blank presentation. Delete the excess text boxes. In the title bar, click on Insert. In the menu bar, click on Picture and then this device. Select your picture. Right-click on the picture and cut it. Now, right-click on the empty canvas and click on Format Background. Turn on Picture and Gradient Fill and click on Clipboard. This will set your image as the default background. Let's make it a bit smaller, that way it will be easier to work with. Select a rectangular shape and place it all over the picture. In the Format menu, select Gradient Fill. Select the direction of the fill to the right side of the image. Delete the middle two stops. Select the first stop, change it to white, and change the transparency to 100%. Select the second stop and change it to black. Change the transparency to 30%. Close the Fill tab and expand the Line tab. Select No Lines. Now, go to Insert and then Shape. Select a flowchart shape and place it on the left side of the image. Right-click on the shape. In the pop-up, click on Format Shape. In the Fill tab, select Slide Background Fill. Change the line color to white. Reduce the line width to 1. Go to the Effect tab and expand the Shadow menu. Select a right side shadow preset. Change the size to 103% and the blur to 12. Go to Insert and take a text box. Write your text and place them in the 4 different parts one by one. Select the round shape and place it in the middle of the flow chart. Change the fill to Slide Background with no lines. Change the shadow formatting the same as the flow chart shape. Now select all the parts and press Ctrl+G on your keyboard. Duplicate the first slide. Insert your image just like before. Cut the image and right-click on the empty spot. In the pop-up, click on Format Background. In the Formatting menu, click on Clipboard. Now, rotate the flowchart shape clockwise by 90 degrees. Rotate the round shape counterclockwise by 45 degrees. Repeat the process for the rest of the pages. Now, go to the first slide and add your text. Place your text in the image. Copy the text box. Go to the second slide and paste it. Place it in the image by dragging it. Repeat the process for the rest of the slides. Select all of the slides by holding Shift on your keyboard. In the title bar, click on Transitions. Select the Morph transition. Here, you can see that we have created a cool rotating transition effect.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.